Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are keeping safe and positive. This Raksha Bandhan, a lot of discussions are going on whether to celebrate it or not to celebrate. In my opinion, हमें safe रह के इसको celebrate करना चाहिए. People in green zones can really enjoy. People in red zones can, get dressed and have a video call with your brothers and sisters, a conference call, and the festive vibe should not go, right? It's just the feeling of love that you can express in many ways. My brother is miles apart, but I know when everything is fine around, once he comes back and we meet, then we'll celebrate it real big. But that doesn't stop me from getting dressed up, eating mithais and sending him love and wishes from here safely. Today's video is all about last minute gifts, DIY gifts which you can make for your brothers, sisters, and you can do it at home. You don't have to go out for that, and you can be safe. And if your brother or sister is not here, you can still make it. Send him a pic or a video call, show them, and then once you meet them, you can gift them. It's Rakhi, let's gift some handmade gifts to our brothers and sisters. I know there are a lot of gifts available, but a handmade gift made with love cannot be compared with an expensive gift bought from a market. So if you would really want to gift something, you can just add on this handmade gift to your bigger gift, which will also add the personal love and touch from your side to your brother and sister, and it will be always special for them. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Our first very gift is a Rakhi card. ये सबसे सिंपल है इसलिए मैंने इसको फर्स्ट रखा है. ये बस एक शीट लेके इसको ऐसे कट करना है और ये कोई भी बना सकता है और ये बहुत प्रेजेंटेबल होता है. इसमें आप अपने भाई के लिए एक पर्सनल मैसेज ऐड कर सकते हैं, एंड अगर आपने घर पे राखी बनाई है उसको आप इसके साथ ऐड करके भाई को गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस वे आवर हैंडमेड राखी कैन बी मोर प्रेजेंटेबल एंड यू कैन ऐड योर पर्सनल मैसेज फॉर योर ब्रदर इन द कार्ड. इंटरनेट पे भी बहुत सारे कार्ड डिज़ाइंस अवेलेबल हैं और बहुत सारे मैसेजेस भी अवेलेबल हैं. अगर आप चाहें तो वहाँ से भी आइडिया लेके कार्ड बना सकते हैं. मैंने इस कार्ड को बहुत ही सिंपल और इजी रखा है, बट आप इसमें ड्राइंग, पेंटिंग, बॉर्डर्स, कलरिंग, यूजिंग मोर स्टिकर्स, यूजिंग मोर एम्बलिशमेंट्स करके आप इसको डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं. और ये लीजिए, हो गया हमारा कार्ड कुछ ही मिनटों में तैयार. और ये बहुत प्रेजेंटेबल है. आप अपनी राखी थाली में भी इसको प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, या अगर आपका भाई यहाँ नहीं रहता है तो आप उसको पोस्ट भी कर सकते हैं. नो दैट योर ब्रदर विल लव दिस कार्ड. The second gift is a diary or a photo album. इस गिफ्ट को मैं आपको सिर्फ एक कवर पेज को डेकोरेट करना बताऊंगी. आप इसके लिए एक पुरानी डायरी ले सकते हैं, या जो कंपनी की डायरीज होती हैं विच आर जनरली एम्प्टी एंड विच वी डोंट यूज़. सो ये मेरे पास घर पे एक डायरी रखी हुई थी, उसको मैं रेडी कर रही हूँ. आप अगर आपके भाई बड़े हैं, डायरी गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं, और अगर आपको डायरी नहीं तो आप एक फ़ोटो एल्बम भी गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. उसका पेज आप कस्टमाइज़ कर सकते हैं, उस पर आपके ब्रदर का या आपका दोनों का नाम लिख के वो प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे मैंने डिकोपाज मेथड यूज़ करके इस डायरी कवर को तैयार किया है. ये शीट मैंने एक नॉर्मल प्रिंटर, कलर प्रिंटर से प्रिंट आउट लेके इसको तैयार किया है, बिकॉज आई रियली लव्ड द कोट्स विच आर रिटन ऑन द डायरी, सो आई चोज दिस वन. आप अपनी नीड के अकॉर्डिंग, अपनी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग इसका कवर पेज इंटरनेट से डाउनलोड करके प्रिंट करके उसको तैयार कर सकते हैं. अगर आप एक फ़ोटो एल्बम तैयार कर रहे हैं तो मेमोरीज़ करके कुछ प्रिंट आउट आप कवर पेज बना सकते हैं विथ योर एंड योर ब्रदर्स नेम, एंड देन यू कैन पुट all the childhood photos and growing together. I know it takes a lot of time, but yes, if you are at home then you can, just search through all those old albums of your childhood and then create a photo album for your brother or sister. And these memories are forever, and you both can sit together and cherish them. So here in this one, I have added a lot of embellishments. As you can see, I've used some pearls, some more embellishments, a frame, a wood frame. So these things were lying at my place, and if you don't have this, it is all optional. You can use what all you have. So this diary says, today is a new day, a wonderful blank slate filled with opportunity. So it is a little bit motivating and make good choices. So you can gift a diary, you can gift a photo album, or any other book also. If you want, you can just change the cover, customize it, and you can gift it. Not even for your brothers, if this gift can be for your loved ones, for your boss, for maybe your friends, your family members. In future, if you want to gift something, then this is not particularly for only brothers and sisters, but you can gift this to anyone. The third DIY is making a paperweight. For this, I'm going to use Mod Podge, some tissue paper, and a stone which I have already painted it white. So this is again a decoupage method, and removing the 2 layers of the paper napkin is really important if you're doing this. And I'm just going to use Mod Podge here to seal and to fix this tissue on the stone. Let it dry overnight. For the next day, it's ready to paint or to write anything you want. You can add your personal message on this, or you can customize this with your brother or sister's name, or even you can write different beautiful motivating quotes. This is really easy and I think useful as well, because it's a paperweight, and if it's kept on a student's study table, it's always going to be useful for them, and they will remember you forever. And this is a stone, it's not going to go anywhere for years. So I've written here beautiful, that's beautiful sister. I'm sealing it with a transparent nail paint here to give it a shine and to seal the work. Again, one more design I'm making for a stone painting here. I'm just going to draw some image with a permanent marker here and color it. I think all the young kids can really try this out. It's really simple and cute as well. Again, remember to seal your work, because if you want it to last long, you have to seal it with something. My daughter is in love with it and she's keeping them on her study table and using them. So the next one is our fridge magnets. For fridge magnets, I'm going to use this molded clay. I had it at home, but it happened to be expired. So I started with it, but again, I end up using the clay which kids have. So this is a normal Play-Doh which kids have, and it quickly dries also. So I'm using this to make the magnets. I've just cut out randomly 3 different shapes, like heart, this shape, and one more circle. You can choose any of your shapes, and trust me, making this is really easy. You can try out with your kids as well. They will love doing this. I'm just painting using acrylic colors, and using a permanent marker, I'm just gonna draw some random designs, and to customize it, I'm going to write the name. Kids will enjoy doing this. After making these, I sat up with my daughter and made another few more for her. And it was such a nice experience for her to make these and stick it on the fridge. You can customize them accordingly. All those supplies which you have at your place, you can use them. So I'm using a transparent nail paint here. I'm using a sparkle nail paint here to just give it a shine because this is for a girl. You can make more designs, you can add colors, you can draw. Experiment with your creativity and just see how beautiful things come out. This one I'm keeping it really simple. Best bhai and few hearts. I've added some stickers on the heart and these are the magnets which I had at home. So these are small magnets which I'm using this adhesive to just stick it through. And see how beautiful they look on the fridge. Kids will love them because they made it and it's on the fridge, so it would be really nice for them to gift these things. So our next DIY gift is a wall hanging. For this thing you require some old CDs which are always lying at our home and are of no use. Here I'm just putting it a white coat of gesso, but you can skip this step because I have already coated them again with a cloth. So if your cloth is little thicker, then you can skip the painting part. And I'm using here a jute rope to just tie up on both the sides, to just thread it up like these, all the CDs, and just putting the rope at the back side to join them. And I'm using a cloth to just secure the string so that it doesn't move and it is permanently stuck. So all the 6 CDs lined up with a tied jute rope and a loop on the top. And very simple, you can just add all the pictures with your brothers using these beautiful wooden clips. Or I did not had a lot of pictures of Delisha's with her brother, so I'm just using her childhood pics here to show how this looks. And this is also a really nice gift you can gift it. The last DIY for the day is a keychain. I'm using a old metallic keychain which was lying at my place. There are a lot of these at our place, like company ones and all. You can just give it a makeover to it and you can add your personal message. You can customize according to your need. And this is really simple. I'm using acrylic colors here and I'm just sealing it with the Mod Podge so that it doesn't come out and doesn't peel. I'm using another embellishment from a keychain. It's a sequenced unicorn. आप इसको इसमें ऐड करके इसकी ब्यूटी बढ़ा सकते हैं. ये अकेला अकेला बहुत अजीब लग रहा था, इसलिए मैंने इसको इसके साथ ऐड कर दिया. And you can give this. Isn't it beautiful?